So this is inside the tram. You can see how it looks like. In the past also, a lot of wooden structure. Above there are fans. These are like normal ceiling fans, but they have been barricaded well for the safety. Inside these trams you can also read the history of it. So here you can see in Mumbai and Calcutta they were operational. So there are displays there, there are pictures there you can study, regarding when it was started and till what time they were functional. So this is the whole view of it. बहुत अच्छा लगता है अगर आप ऐसी किसी पुरानी चीज़ को देखते हैं. So it makes you feel, how those cities were run